Alright, so if you're wondering how bad the old shocks were, look at this. So you can see it's squeezed in, right? God damn, I wish I had 3 hands. But to get it unsqueezed, it's so bad. It will like not pull back at all, you know, it'll do it very slowly. So yeah, this was completely shot. Compared to the new one, oh, first of all, it's super tight. And second, like you can't, see? You can't push it down because the spring is so good. But this one, well, it just kind of did its thing, you know. So yeah, it was definitely due for a change, which I'm so glad I'm about to do. Yeah, I was bound to start rolling, huh? Things you do when you only have one hand. So this is what we have to basically fix. So this goes to that. So you basically have to take this off and then that off. And to do that, you need one of these, E24, which ironically, it's right there. So then you get your 1/2 inch, kind of push it in there, get the leverage you need, and just push out. Super simple. I almost forgot. Before you do this, just spray some of this right there. Ideally, you want to leave it for 5 minutes or so. Don't stress too much about it. Just leave it in there, and then give her this. That looks about right. Alright, I wish I had more than 2 hands, guys, but I need to bolt this in. So basically, this goes here, the bottom goes in, you need to push it up, press it up, and it should fit just like that. Super simple. Yeah, you have to put the jack on there to put some good support. And then you take the bolt and you slide it in and you make sure you're putting it centered and not twisted. That's pretty much it. Alright, so that's really it, guys. That's how you do it. You want to tighten it up enough that it's like there, but you don't want to tighten it too much where it can't move, because remember, this moves. So you want to make sure that the bushings, the bolt on the bushings isn't actually like stuck there. It's like there, but it's just firmly in place on both sides, as you can see right here. And yeah, that is how you do the rear shocks of a camper van Promaster van. Pretty cool. But yeah, now this is done, our next project should be this. Put the sumo springs on it, but that's for another video. All right, you know you did a good job when you can do this. Awesome. All right, so after driving a couple 100 miles with the new shocks, I can confirm they are just as good as I expected them to be. So let's get rid of the old ones.